into the familiar pick and roll. Works.
Nice finish mula kay jumping jacket. Pero bigyan natin ng credit yung magandang parang book pass. Ayun, sa points and rebounds palagi. Ano?
And that's what you get when he's in shape and not hurting from anything. Abarientos has now given Ginebra a 3-point lead. Does not elevate. Hooks it inside. Jack is gone.
Mas magandang depensa on one side. Diba? Just enough para mapamiss nila.
Mas yung pahinga is most welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Jack will get it to connect after being nudged and hitting the deck. He has 10. Ilang points? 9? 10.
Hindi na box out na mabuti si Jamie Malonzo.
Ang una kasing indication ng energy is rebounding aside from defense. But Jack produces something in the interior. He has produced 12 points already.
Kailangan sabayan nila Barangay Ginebra sa good defense.
Surprised, unexpected, but they'll take it. May kasama pang foul.
Una, tapos Monzon naman ngayon.
Monzonet has a 12-point production. Brownlee knocks in a 3.
It's like a casual three-pointer magmula dito kay effortless. Kanyang tira.
Scotty will keep it. He can. He does.
Kahit na madikit at agresibo yung depensa nitong si Paolo Taha, nagawa pa rin ng paraan.
3 points together. Escape. Escape. Plus a foul. Alam mo, mahirap kalaban. Yung magaling na, swerte pa.
Down to 22. Let's see kung mababawasan
Oo,
pa.
ganda ng basan. Lusot.
Ayun.
Yes, sir. Op.
Pwede.
Rumibote pa. Si Jack is... Now, look at that pass. Look at that pass by Abad.
Terrific. Ganun talaga siya, di ba? Atake, makikita ang talino eh.
A little bit of apple all night will not be a problem. And Karim Jack, I like that report because it shows you that the import is in bold. Kung minsan, di ba?
Oh! Ayan ang inaantay nila. That's what they were waiting for, Seb. And then, kanina pa natin minimension. Oh! Two-handed throw down.
Alam mo itong mga to, nagkikwento tayo, tapos biglang gagawa na ganyan.
Ano eh, nag-i-interrupt.
Oy, alam mo, nakaka-istorbo ko yun.
So, bukas na bukas.
Wala. Kaya na naman, nagkwento ka na naman. Nagdak na naman yung tao.
I-interrupt ka na naman.
Ah.
Yapet.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.